roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, yeah. We going up, we take it down, let's spice it up, baby, right here and now, ain't nothing brings down.
तो दोस्तों ये है माया सरोवर पार्क, बिहार स्टेट टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड। ये बिहार में है, गया में। तो आप जब भी घूमना चाहें यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं। टिकट काउंटर, एंट्री फीस 20 रुपये फॉर एन इंडिविजुअल। एज यू कैन सी पीपल अराइव हियर टू विजिट दिस प्लेस। ये मेरे साथी जिनके साथ मैं घूम रहा हूँ दोस्तों। शुरू करते हैं दोस्तों। This place is beautiful. Gardening is amazing over here.
यूट्यूब देखता है ना।
आ जाओ बाबू।
पहले बोल देते हैं पैसा वैसा नहीं। भैया कोई भी डांटे तेरे को।
क्या यूट्यूब पे जाएगा?
जस्ट जुझारू। So guys, this is the part of Bihar state tourism. You can come over here and visit this place. Here I came with my brothers, enjoying this place. Hey, आओ पीछे जाके लो।
अरे उसकी
सच्ची
उधर खींचो,
चीज
इधर से खींचो तब सही रहेगा।
खींचो यार। फोटो ले रहे हो क्या? रुक जाओ, हम भी जा रहे हैं ना। So hello everyone, today we came here to visit this place, Bihar, Gaya. This is a part of this is Maya Sarovar Park actually. This is the part of Bihar tourism and we are exploring this place. This place is quite wonderful. Here's one pond in it and it's very it looks very amazing, refreshing, you know, it will refresh your mood. So better come over here if you are living over here in Gaya. So I'll recommend this place to you all guys. Here are my brothers and friends. Visit this place. What's the matter, brother? क्या हुआ सर? लेके आए एसडीएम नहीं है क्या? साइड होगा, बहुत कुछ कराएंगे। टीम के बॉडीगार्ड आए हैं। So guys, now I'm feeling very thirsty. I'm going to have some water. He is too eager to explore the place, guys. See him. Hey, he came here 350 kilometer long distance travel. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं दोस्तों शौचालय जाके थोड़ा रिफ्रेशिंग फील करेंगे। ये महिला है क्या? पुरुष है, पुरुष। This is uh, small park. Small one, not a big park like in Lucknow, like Ambedkar Park and Janeswar Misra Park, which is spread in acres of area. This is very small, not that small, but still there's one pond to see about. You can see it's amazing. Green water. Water is dirty, guys. Water is dirty because it's still water. Still water gets dirty very soon, and another reason is there's no fisheries inside it. If there would be fish, it won't get dirty soon, because microbes, insects, all that can be eaten by the fishes, all that. ये देखिए सर, दूसरे यहाँ फोटोग्राफी चल रही है, अच्छे अच्छे कैमरामैन धुरंधर मोबाइल लेके बिल्कुल तैयार है, और ये साउथ इंडियन एक्टर जय सूर्या। So here in Maya Sarovar Park, Maya is actually the name of Buddha's mother, who gave birth to him in Lumbini, Nepal. And this park is named after her mother, Mahamaya. Mahamaya temple is there actually, where the cornerstone of Buddha's birth is present over there. And this is a place called Maya Sarovar Park. This park is named after the mother of Buddha, Lord Buddha. And see this pond over here, the still water, it looks quite amazing. So whenever you get time, you are living here in Gaya, must come over here, visit this place. If you are coming from far distant places, so also come over here. He will charge only 20 rupee, and you can get chance to view the beauty over here, the plants and this Titanic view. And here it is. See guys, this gallery is created quite amazing over here. Very wonderful. Titanic spot, guys. मुझको जैक बंद करके यहाँ चढ़ना होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ और कोई जैक नहीं। आदर्श को झूलना झुलाने जाएंगे चारों लोग। चारों लोग मिल के इसको झूलना झुलाया जाएगा। आदर्श को। He's so eager that he is leading all of us, and he wants to enjoy the jhulas over here. Hey, go fast, fast. See. Maya Sarovar food court. It is like very ordinary. I would recommend don't come over here because I don't see any light, any hope of getting good food. ये हैं बच्चों के झूले।
नाव पे चल रहा है।
एग्जिट है क्या? एग्जिट है क्या?
एग्जिट वहीं से है।
Are we going to ride the boat? Would you like to enjoy the boat? The toy boat?
Enjoy the boat.
You won't get drowned inside this water because I don't think the water is too much. Might be very low. Are you people wanna try boating? Toy boating?
इतनी गर्मी में कौन करेगा?
क्या आप नाव का आनंद लेना चाहेंगे?
आई फोटो क्लिक कर ली थी।
सही है क्या?
दम्मू तक मिल जा रहे हैं लोग। So guys, we are done over here. We explored all the places over here. We saw all the plants, all scenery, scenic beauty over here. The pond, the trees, the walking path. This all was beautiful, wonderful. Not walking. See this plant, guys. This is garden croton. This plant name is garden croton. That is spider plant. Wow. This is kind of Christmas plant. It's so beautiful. Acacia palm. Yeah. Bye. Hi कर दीजिए. Hi bye. Hi bye हो गया भैया. So we are done. We are done. We have explored this whole place. I love Bodh Gaya, guys. I love Bodh Gaya. So guys, right this time we just came out of this Maya Sarovar Park. And outside of this Maya Sarovar Park, there's one Sudha Seven. Sudha Seven. Vada ki Sudhata. Here you will get the milk byproduct like lassi. We are having one. This is, guys, let me just tell you, after this much of travel and very exhausting journey and having fun in this inside this Maya Sarovar Park, enjoying this lassi is just cherry on top. It's very amazing, guys. It's very refreshing and I'm literally enjoying it. Here's my Sathi. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Hey.
चलो ना, टाइम ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, 4 बज गए। क्या करना, वो निभाग जाएगा
So guys, hello everyone. At this time here I am, Sleeping Buddha. This is a place in Bodh Gaya. Here you can visit. This is a very amazing place. The big statue of Lord Buddha sleeping. And the various other statues and flag, Panchsheel flag. Quite interesting place over here. So guys, present time I am here near the great Buddha statue, sitting in tapasya pose over here in Bodh Gaya. Let me just tell you about this statue, guys. I have been here before and I know about this place, and 8 to 10 disciples or something. Yeah, the great Buddha statue built by Daijokyo Buddhist sect, unveiled by His Holiness Dalai Lama. This is about this statue, guys. Thakur and Sons, Chunar, UP, erected by. Shoes are not allowed here, so I'm just going to put off my shoes over here. So guys, this is the Lord Buddha statue over here. The renovation work is still going on. You can see the bamboos. People are putting coins onto it. Marvelous. So humongous, guys. This is 80 to 88 feet high Lord Buddha statue. So hello everyone, today I'm here, guys, the great Buddha statue here in Bodh Gaya, and this is so humongous, guys. Whenever you get time, must come over here if you're living here in Bodh Gaya. This statue is really amazing. This is built by the Daijokyo tribe of Buddhist, and this is really humongous. So my dear friends, Today I'm here, the great Buddha statue just beside me, guys. This is the stage on which this great enormous Lord Buddha statue is built, and this is really humongous. It is about 80 to 88 feet high in height. This is a very big statue here in Bodh Gaya. So whenever you come here to visit the enlightenment place of Buddha, the Mahamaya temple, the temple over here where Buddha get enlightened. So near this temple here is one big statue of Lord Buddha. Whenever you get time to visit this, come visit this place. Must see this place as well. This is really interesting, peaceful, the environment is good, so must visit this place. I came here earlier as well, and this is the second time I'm coming over here. So guys, embark on journey down memory lane without snazzy Delarion. So this is a very wonderful thing, because people are trying to renovate and preserve the structure, the Indian, that heritage, you know. It's our responsibility to preserve all these monuments, because we have to give to our next generation the things we have to see and know about. The personalities, the philosophers, the great beings on the land of India. These are Lord Buddha. Lord. A lot of people come visit here to have the vibe, you know, the place where Buddha get enlightened, where once the great soul has lived and breathed. The same as we are now. This is that same land. This is very peaceful, very wonderful place. So guys, if you ever come over here, never forget to buy stuff of your need. There's various, you know, home decorative products or statues, posters related to Buddha. You can easily get over here. Jai Bhim! Jai Bhim! Jai Bhim! So guys, this is another thing which I'm doing over here. And now I'm searching for my other friends. So guys, here I am among the bhikshus, the Mahatmas. This is wonderful, guys.
नाम
So this is it, guys. This main road. This is the main Buddhist priest maybe beside me, just behind me. Temple side kar lo, side kar. और भाई इसके बाद क्या करोगे तुम?
मुख्य मंदिर।
मुख्य मंदिर। मुख्य मंदिर के बाद
3 मंदिर है देखने के।
दोस्तों ये है मेरा ड्राइवर जो पिछले 2 घंटों से मुझे घुमा रहा है और मेरे साथियों को भी। भागना तो नहीं चाहते भाई तुम?
आगे गाना
मेरे 2 साथी अभी अंदर गए हुए हैं। हमारे मंसूबे अभी पूरे नहीं हुए, जाने की मत सोचिए। ऐसा कभी हुआ कि पैसे आपको दे दिया हो कोई ग्राहक और गया जैसे मंदिर में आप भाग लिए फिर?
तो नहीं, हम लोग सब पूरा करते हैं काम किए।
झूठ मत बोलिए, हुआ तो होगा।
आप ही देख रहे हैं, खाली घुमाए रहे हैं, कुछ किए नहीं।
चकमा। अच्छा हम लोग अगर जल्दी पैसे दे देते, अगर लेट करते, भागते कि नहीं?
इसी मंदिर में देखिए तभी ना भाग
नहीं, जैसे आप ढूंढने भी आते हैं हम लोग छुप जाते हैं, तब क्या करते हैं?
आपको इच्छा नहीं होगा इसलिए।
कभी कभी जब ज़्यादा टाइम रहता है, टाइम वेस्ट करने में मजा आता है ना। ड्राइवर भी अपना
हम लोग पैसा लेते हैं लेकिन फ्रेंड मन से घुमाते हैं।
मन से घुमाते हैं।
हाँ,
एक बार बोल दीजिए तो।
पैसा तो लेते हैं लेकिन मन से घुमा देते हैं।
मन से घुमाते हैं दोस्तों,
आदमी
प्यार से घुमाते हैं। तो आइए घूमिए बोध गया। Embark on journey down memory lane without snazzy DeLorean. Here, this is Wat Thai monastery, Buddhist monastery. Come over here, see the Lord Buddha, the peace which is inside this monastery. This is really wonderful place. I am a kind of person who guide. हम गाइड को भी गाइड करते हैं।
अच्छी बात नहीं,
छोटी बात बोल दी आप।
अच्छा भाषा बोल रहे हैं, इंग्लिश भाषा। विदेशी लोग थोड़ा अपना ज़्यादा तो इंग्लिश जानता था।
मजाक कर रहा था। आप बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ कर दी मेरी। थैंक यू भैया।
अच्छा ना भैया,
थैंक यू।
वेलकम।
थैंक यू फ्रॉम
वेलकम
ऑफ माई हार्ट। Let me just wear this goggle. Keep on driving. मेरे साथी आ चुके हैं दोस्तों और हम जाने को तैयार। ये बड़ा हेलो, कैसे हुआ? चलो हो गया। चलते हैं दोस्तों। Today the day was very interesting. Things were going well. The moment I started journeying from the beginning of my home, and it's interesting. Things are going very well. आना सफर मौसम हंसी। गाना गा दो। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। दोस्तों मुख्य मंदिर की ओर जा रहे हैं। We are going to the main temple where there's one Shiva Linga, where the Bodhi tree, the 7 different Bodhi trees where Lord Buddha has meditated for every different week for 7 weeks. That's quite wonderful place over there. I'll go and see and tell you. It's going to be very fantastic.
जाइए यहाँ से सीधा मेन टेम्पल है, महाबोधि टेम्पल। इसमें मोबाइल जमा करना पड़ेगा सर।